like a very big Arctic fox. It has a small head, paws, and fluffy fur. My animal moves slowly and rests a lot to keep from getting too hot. My animal eats seals. It is a carnivore. Polar bears drag seals on the ice to eat them. My animal swims in the Arctic Sea. This habitat has a lot of ice and snow. My animal enemies are humans. It does not have to protect itself from other animals. My animal makes sounds to communicate. It will hiss and growl to show it is mad. My animal is born in the mother's den. It is a mammal. The babies look like small rats. As babies grow, they get fur and reach up to 10 feet tall.
Okay, here we have our Venn diagram.
Fur,
The polar bear has.
fur, paws, hiss.
And what about you? What do you have? Let's do you.
Hair, hands, feet, tall.
So you don't hiss. Okay. How are you alike? How are you the same?
Mammals, 2 eyes and 2 ears.
Right, you're both mammals. Good. Do you eat seals?
No.
Let's see the beautiful drawing you made.
That was so good. I'm really good. Have a lot of blubber. 3 cool facts about blubber. Keeps you warm. Use as food. Helps you float.
Wow. So it keeps you warm. We learned that when we learned about the whale blubber, right? But polar bears have blubber too. It keeps you warm. They use it as food. It gives them energy, right?
Mm-hmm. When there's no food, they use it as food.
Very good. And what was the last one? It helps you to float. And why is that important for polar bears?
'Cause they don't know how to float up.
They know how to swim, but they don't know how to float without their blubber keeping them up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Very, very nice. All right. So you have a science experiment you're going to share with us now, right? Okay. What's in there now, Matt?
Blubber.
This is blubber in the bag. And what are we going to do with it? What are we going to place it on?
Under ice.
Okay, so it's going to go on top of the ice. And what are we going to do? We're going to notice the temperature difference?
Mhm.
Okay.
One hand's on ice and one hand's on the blubber.
And then what happens?
This hand's warm and the other hand's cold.
So we're going to see how blubber keeps the polar bears warm.
One hand on blubber and one hand on ice.
And we're going to see.
And one hand is cold.
Which hand's cold, Meg?
The ice.
The blubber's keeping your other hand warm? What does it feel like? What's happening?
The ice is keeping the other hand cold.
And what's keeping the other hand warmer?
The blubber.